very promising product. It was mentioned earlier that it took you 2 years before this day na official launch na, no? So, may we know what are some of the challenges that you face in creating this My Psychoskin product? Ano po ba yung mga hurdles na hinarap ng product before ma-release siya in public? And ano po ba yung vision niyo for the product in terms of product innovation and reach as well?
Yes, thank you, Miss Isa. So, for My Psychoskin, of course, one of the hurdles is, of course, communication. Diba? Siyempre, kailangan natin pababain yung presyo ng My Psychoskin para maging accessible and affordable for everyone. And also, while maintaining the quality of the product. And also, my vision for My Psychoskin is to see it in the shelves of every retail stores in the Philippines, not just in the Philippines but also outside the Philippines, Asia, Dubai, US, all over the world.
Alright, thank you, Ms. Isa Manila Times. So, hopefully we're praying for My Psychoskin to go global and international. Next, we have any more questions? Miss Marinel, my close friend. Hi, Ate Marinel. From Inquirer.
Number two.
Testing. Okay, my question is for Miss Maxine. Hi, Max. Okay, two questions. How do you hope to inspire other Filipinas to embrace the G beauty simplicity in their routines? And then another question is, how has your understanding of beauty changed now that you're a mom and a wife, compared to the days when you were a beauty queen?
Sobrang hirap kasi now that I'm a mom. Yun muna yung
Sige, sige.
It's kalaban mo talaga kasi is time. So, since nung before actually, ang dami kong routines eh. Siyempre, pagising mo sa umaga, wash the face, ang daming serum like vitamin C or whatever. Ang dami talaga, and then moisturizer and then sunscreen. And then you really have to look good talaga every day. So right now, nabawasan talaga siya. Kasi every time I wake up in the morning, I have to think about my baby. Ready ko muna siya before myself. So now, sobrang nakatulong din, especially now na sobrang technology with skincare, sobrang advanced na. I love that meron na tayong kahit isang item lang, kahit isang product lang na okay na tayo, and then sunscreen, and then we can go with our lives na, and we can go working, dami pa natin magagawa. So, yun. So, what's the other question? Sorry.
Paano mo ma-inspire yung mga other women to embrace the Filipinas?
Yes. Actually, alam mo, before kasi we look up to the people na sobrang mapuputi, yung ganyan, di ba, mga mestiza, natural yung mga skin nila na smooth. So, syempre, nililook up natin yon. And for me, kasi morena ako eh. Dati, ang dami kong, tawag dito, insecurities. Yes, correct. Insecurity. Sobrang dami kong insecurities. And now na natutunan ko how to take care of myself, I wanted to share it with my fellow Filipinos na meron din chance. Meron tayong way to take care of our skin and be beautiful, and of course to be confident with our skin.
Thank you. Ano ko na rin si Dayan sa question?
Kasali pa lang sa kasama ka sa Q&A.
Okay. Working mom of 2 kids. So, paano na nabago yung beauty routine mo ngayon?
As mentioned by Maxine, of course, before it's a tedious process, it's a long process. You can go over and over again with your skincare routine. And the skincare routine usually 10 steps niyan, mahaba. But now, since I'm a very busy mom. I juggle so much work, as a TV actress, host. I also do live selling, event host, and news anchor still with PTV4. So sometimes you don't have that me time anymore because you have other priorities. So what I do is, I like what Dr. Jaja said a while ago, it's already simplified nowadays when it comes to your skincare routine. And that's actually the gentle and mild form that can align to Filipino sensitive skin. Given our humid weather, maganda siya, Ate Marinel, with My Cycles Skin. All the products now are simplified. So, hindi na yung marami kang ilalagay. Ngayon, simplified na yung product and skincare routine mo. You can save time and you can be more productive with your day.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you, Miss Marinel of Inquirer. Next, we have Miss Kate
Hi,
Adahar from Random Republica.
thank you, Dan. My question is for Doctora. What would be your advice for beginners who are still hesitant to try the J Beauty routine?
Thank you for that question, Ms. Kay. So actually, J Beauty right now is really trending because I think with our skincare trends, more people are aware of looking at the premium quality of product formulation. Di lang basta-basta. So I think people should be more aware and be more informed. You really have to be intentional with what you put on our skin. Kasi balat natin yan, bawal basta-basta lang. Because the more you put the mga products na nilagay sa balat natin, there's a higher risk of irritating our skin and even damaging the skin barrier. So I think we always go back to being personalized and really catering your skincare routine into what really your skin concern is, to be targeted in your routine. So I think it's really important to look at premium quality products with the right ingredients, with the right formulation that really suits your skin type and to be able to target your skin concern.
Thank you.
So I think that's really the essence of J Beauty.
Alright, thank you so much, Ms. Kay Adahar from Random Republica. Next, we have Miss Grace from Metro.
Hi, good afternoon. Okay, my question is for Ms. Anna and Maxine. So you mentioned that you're fans of J Beauty. Can you share more about your introduction to J Beauty? Because syempre sobrang daming options when it comes to beauty. But what was it like for you discovering J Beauty? Sige,
Ayun na nga. So, I'm really a huge fan of Japanese products. Kahit anong products pa yan basta Japanese when it comes to skincare, sobrang bibilin ko and I'm ready to try it talaga. So, ayun nga, what I love about My Cycles Skin is that it's one product. Vitamin C is non-negotiable skincare for me talaga. It brightens and it even out your skin tone, especially mga dark spots natin, lalo na ako yung work ko, exposed ako sa light, exposed ako sa araw, and ang dami kong ginagawa. So, eto pa, actually as a mom, as we age, di ba nawawalan tayo ng collagen? And it's important na yung skincare natin, meron nag-boost ng collagen. And lahat yun important to maintain our youthful, smooth-looking look, di ba? So, ayun. So, I'm really fan of Japanese products.
Sa akin kasi, I've been traveling in Japan for over 30 years. Hindi pa viral ang mga K-beauty, no? J-beauty na talaga ako, promise. Kasi sa Japan kasi, yung mga products nila doon, kung ano yung sinabi nila na benefit, results, or kung ano yung ingredients, yun talaga yung dinideliver nila. So, kaya lagi ako nagpapaisip bakit wala sa akin gano'n, di ba? So, that's what has driven me to be passionate about bringing J Beauty here in the Philippines through My Cycles.
Can I just have a follow-up? If you were to choose one product from the full line, because you mentioned earlier that parang what you like about the My Cycle is that it's easy to incorporate into your existing skincare routine. So if you were to choose one that's parang a non-negotiable na madaling i-add to your routine, what would you choose?
I will choose one right now. Actually, kahit sinabi ko yan na kahit one lang gamitin and incorporate sa skincare routine, parang hindi ko talaga mapigilan na gamitin sila ng sabay-sabay. Kasi like for the use of peeling soap, kailangan ko siya kasi lalo na pag gusto ko mag-renew ng skin ko, lalo na pag meron ako mga hormonal imbalance breakout dito, di ba? Yun yung inaano ko dito, ina-apply ko para mabilis mag-heal. Di ba sino ba yung nakatry na nung Yuzu Peeling Soap? Napadala na ba sila? Pero later, meron kayo niyan. Meron kayo, masusubukan nyo lahat yan. And also, of course, the VC Essence. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Alright.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Manila Times, Miss Grace. Alright, next we have from Manila Bulletin.
Hello,
Hi.
Miss Anna or Doctora, I'd just like to ask, since I have a teenager with an acne problem, pwede rin po ba yung product? I mean, the age limit ba to like what age should you start using the products?
Actually, when you look into the ingredients, so there's no really age limit on when to start with the product that My Psychosyn is offering, especially with the vitamin C essence. Because vitamin C, you can start as early as your teens naman. It's just that you have to be careful, especially for a beginner friendly or for those with sensitive skin. When you start with it, you can try patch test first to see if there's any reaction on your skin. And then you can try slowly first, maybe twice a week muna before starting it, and then increasing the frequency eventually once nahiyang na sa skin mo.
Alright. Thank you so much, Dr. Ja. Last question from GMA7.
Hello. Good afternoon, nurse po. For Doc Jaja muna, we've been mentioning about vitamin C sa mga products, no? Can we clarify? Kasi we have, parang every day we take din vitamin C supplement. Anong difference nila na pag nasa product na and then yung supplement na daily na tinitake na?
Actually, that's a really nice question. So oral supplements are really trending right now. We hear it left and right, especially with the term antioxidants. So in terms of oral supplements, they're just there to support or boost, especially in terms of your skin health. Because the amount or the quantity that you digest in, di naman natin yun na-quantify the amount that enters into our skin. So for me, it's still better to really rely on mga topical products with your skincare products with the right ingredients like vitamin C. Mga oral supplements, they are beneficial for our health, but then in terms of skincare, I'd still focus properly on topical products. And then if you're taking any oral supplements, they're just there to support, like supplement it. So yeah, I think yun yung importance of knowing the benefits of taking mga oral supplements aside from having proper topical products.
Alright, thank you so much.
And last question
alright.
for Ms. Maxine. You mentioned about aging kanina. How do you handle it? Is this something you fear of?
Aging? Is that correct?
Yes,
Aging.
yes.
Actually kasi, pinalaki kasi kami ng lola ko na sobrang mahilig sa skincare. So nakikita namin yun everyday nagsa-skincare siya, may moisturizer siya, everything nilalagay niya sa face, right? Diba yan? So now, growing up, syempre na-realize ko, I have to look good about myself and be confident, diba? So I started trying skincare when I was 16. Nag-start ako ng moisturizer, and then I get to know the serums, ang daming iba't ibang klase. And then, you know, a little goes a long way. So for me, yes, hindi na din ako tatakot tumanda kasi we have this product.
Yes, and as a cousin of Maxine, I've seen her grow talaga and blossom into a young lady. Talaga nakita ko and transitioning to a mom. She really embraced aging talaga with
Yes.
beauty and confidence.
Thank you so much.
Alright. Any more questions?
I don't know, ikaw din daw.
Ako, do I fear aging? Of course not. Diba, aging is actually our life. Everything else, our family, our routine, our health, everything, of course, is of course from our Lord Jesus Christ. It's a blessing. So every day is a blessing. I don't fear aging. Lalo na pagdating sa skincare because I know my Psychoskin is here to back me up. So talagang i-try nyo na. Let's shift to J Beauty! Alright, with my Psychoskin.